In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can fix a black or white screen issue on WhatsApp for iPhone. If this video helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem essentially means that you can't use WhatsApp properly, but don't worry, we've got several fixes that you can try, so make sure you watch the full video. First, go ahead and try restarting WhatsApp. Go ahead and swipe up slowly from the bottom of the screen, not too far to actually bring up the app switcher. It'll look something like this. Then fully swipe up on WhatsApp to fully close it, and then open up the app again to see if that fixed the issue. If it didn't fix the issue, go ahead and open up your settings on your iPhone, scroll down until you find General, and then select iPhone Storage. Scroll down even more, and what you're going to be looking for in this option is WhatsApp. So if it's not in here for you, go ahead and hit Show All and continue looking through. And once you find it, open it up. Now there's going to be an option that says Offload App, and then essentially go ahead and click on that option and then hit Confirm and then reinstall the app. Once it's done, open up WhatsApp to check to see if it's working. If it still isn't fixed, go ahead and go back to Settings. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you find apps and open this up, and then go ahead and search for WhatsApp and open up these settings right here and make sure it has all of the necessary permissions. If it doesn't have all the necessary permissions enabled, it might be bugging out. But yeah, hopefully these solutions fix your issue and hopefully WhatsApp is working for you again. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a good day.